morning, guys. It is 10:40 in the morning, and I just woke up and took a shower, got dressed, just started my day in my life, one day in my life. So, I am vlogging because you know from the title, I am going to be taking you in a tour of my day. Like we can say tour of my day. So now I'm going to take my breakfast and just start my day as a whole. Just not I have not thought of what I am going to do. Yes, I have to shoot a video today, that I know for sure, and I don't know what I want to do next other than this. So let's see what we do in the day. And I am reading a book right now, so I can say that I am going to complete this book. So it is going to be a chilled reading vlog kind of thing. Most of the time I'm going to be reading something, or I can watch a movie. I don't know what I'm going to do, but like it's a chill day for me. Other than a shoot, I have a shoot, and I also am shooting this video right now. So let's see what happens. But now I just need to eat my breakfast and make my hair. Then we will see again what can we do. Okay, let's see you in the next. So friends, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. So first let me show you my breakfast. Okay. This is I'm going to eat. This is a noodles. I'm going to eat noodles, and it is so late, so I don't have any time to cook anything else, and I just love noodles. So that is why I'm going to eat noodles for today's breakfast. So I have ate my breakfast. Then now I'm going to do. I journal every day. I write a journal, like everything. I will talk about it later in the next video. I journal every day. So now I'm going to do journaling, and then I will talk to you. Then let's see what we can do, isn't it? So now I'm going to do journaling. So now I have completed my journal. Currently I am reading a book, that is Suheldev by Amish Tripathi. So now I am decided to continue the book right now. So probably I will finish the book today. So let's see. Now I'm going to read the book, but first I need to find another phone in my house, that is my mom's phone, where I can record that clip, because I am reading this book on Kindle, so that is in my phone actually. So I need to go and find my mom's phone. I need to set up that phone, and then I can read the book that I have got. So I am here to talk because I have read Suheldev for some time. I have read another 2 chapters, but now I am not feeling like reading it right now. So it is like I am not feeling motivated to read Suheldev right now. So I am thinking that I have had a book for so long in my house, but I didn't read it. So I think that it will be a good read for me today. So I should read it. I have this book for I think 2 years, but I didn't read it. I didn't got any chance, and I didn't feel like reading it. So I have it with me. I think I should read it. I have some time, and it is quite a thick book. That is why I didn't try to read it, because I feel like it will take a long time for me. I don't like reading books which will take me for a long time, because I feel like I'm motivated to read this, because when I stop reading this in halfway, I feel like so lazy to start it from there again. So I think I'm going to read it right now. So I will review it also if I can read it. It is one of the biggest, I think one of the most famous books. I bought it because I am a student of anthropology, and it is a kind of anthropology book. It is very important book. I think everyone should read this book. So I think that it will be a very good read for me. Actually, I feel so. Let's see what happens. I will give a review of this book. Stay tuned for this. So I have had my lunch and now I'm going to take a nap or do some social media stuff and scrolling all the things. I have read a little bit of that book and now just I'm so tired. I just want to rest for some time. So we will talk again in the evening. Okay, so we are back in the evening and it is 9 o'clock right now, but I didn't film anything in the evening because I didn't read in the evening, so I didn't did anything productive, so I don't feel like vlogging. Because what else, I was like calling to my friends. I first in the afternoon I take a nap for 2 hours and then I woke up and I had coffee and I talked with two of my friends for so long. We chatted a lot, we did a video call, so like we didn't see each other in the lockdown, so we need to talk with the friends because it is our only chance that we have to do socialize. And so that is why I didn't film actually, and it is 9 o'clock, so I don't like, I am not feeling like reading any book right now. Just I have started a book, I think not a book, sorry, I have started a movie watching I think 2 to 3 days ago, and I have watched only like only half of the movie, because half of the movie is left because I left it in the half because I didn't have the chance to complete it thoroughly. It is a long movie, so I am just going to watch that movie right now. Then I am going to have my dinner, and after having my dinner I will again read because I just want to read after having dinner because I will relax and have a book with me and I will read it. So I have forgot to mention that I have read a little bit of Suhel Dev when in the like afternoon. I have read after lunch a little bit of Suhel Dev, not a lot, but a little bit, because I was like not feeling reading one book at a time, so I was like reading 2 books at a time. So in the morning I read Suhel Dev, then I read the Gons Johnson Still, and then again I read Suhel Dev. In the night I am going to be reading Suhel Dev again, not the book. I'm feeling like right now I'm feeling like reading Suhel Dev. So I always listen to my intuition because I feel like whatever you want to read you should read, because if you force yourself reading something you don't like to read right now, then you cannot progress so much in this book also, and you will not feel like reading something good. So that's it. I'm going to vlog in the after like in 10:30 or 11. Okay, bye.